Have you ever heard that something as simple as baking soda could kill cockroaches? It sounds almost too easy, right? Just sprinkle it around your home, and suddenly those stubborn pests disappear. A lot of people swear by this trick, calling it a cheap and natural solution. But here's the thing, does it actually work, or is it just another internet myth? Cockroaches are incredibly tough, and getting rid of them isn't always straightforward. So before you start spreading baking soda everywhere, there's something important you need to understand, and one key detail most people completely miss. Let's take a closer look at what's really going on. 1. The idea behind baking soda. The reason baking soda is believed to kill cockroaches comes down to a simple reaction. When cockroaches eat baking soda, it can react with the acids in their stomach and produce gas. The theory is that this gas builds up inside their bodies and eventually kills them. It sounds logical and even a bit scientific. But here's the catch. Just because something can happen doesn't mean it actually works effectively in real-life situations. 2. Cockroaches don't eat it easily. One of the biggest problems with this method is that cockroaches aren't naturally attracted to baking soda. Unlike food scraps or sugary substances, baking soda doesn't smell or taste appealing to them. So even if you leave it out, most roaches will simply ignore it. That's why many people mix it with sugar. But even then, it's not guaranteed they'll eat enough of it to make a difference. 3. It's not an instant solution. Let's say a cockroach does eat some baking soda. It still doesn't work instantly. Unlike chemical insecticides that act quickly, this method takes time and often requires the roach to consume a significant amount. In reality, most cockroaches won't eat enough baking soda for it to be lethal. And while you're waiting, the infestation can continue to grow. But that's only part of the story. 4. It doesn't target the nest. Here's where things get more serious. Even if baking soda manages to kill a few cockroaches, it doesn't address the root of the problem, the nest. Cockroaches reproduce quickly, and their hiding spots are often deep inside walls, cracks, or hidden spaces. Killing a few visible roaches won't stop the colony. This is why infestations often come back, even after trying DIY remedies. 5. Safety, a double-edged advantage. One reason people love using baking soda is because it's considered safe for humans and pets. Compared to chemical pesticides, it's definitely less toxic. That's a big plus, especially for families. But this safety also comes with a downside. It's not strong enough to reliably eliminate cockroaches. So while it's safer, it's also much less effective than professional solutions. 6. The right way to use it, if you try. If you still want to try baking soda, the most common method is mixing it with sugar to attract cockroaches. Place small amounts in areas where roaches are active, like under sinks or behind appliances. But keep your expectations realistic. Think of it more as a minor control method, not a complete solution. And this next point might be the most important of all. 7. What actually works better? If you're serious about getting rid of cockroaches, proven methods work far better. Gel baits, proper sanitation, sealing cracks, and removing food sources are much more effective. These methods target not just individual roaches, but the entire infestation. Baking soda might sound appealing, but it simply doesn't compare when it comes to long-term re. So, can baking soda really kill cockroaches? Technically, yes, but in practice, it's not a reliable solution. The biggest takeaway here is that effectiveness matters more than simplicity. A method might sound easy and natural, but if it doesn't solve the root problem, it won't give you real results. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more practical home tips like this. And if you've ever tried baking soda for cockroaches, let me know your experience in the comments. You might be surprised at what actually works.